my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Pav Bhaji. This is one of my top 5 dishes I absolutely love to make. Just hearing the name makes me so hungry. So pav meaning bread and bhaji meaning a side, or in other words a sabji, which you will hear me use this term a lot on this channel. These two are a match made in heaven. They will not disappoint your taste buds, that's for sure. I'm super excited to make this, so let's get started. I am cutting the potatoes into large pieces. They will be getting smashed later, so they do not need to be cut perfectly. For the onions, I am finely chopping them so they will cook quickly, but as will bring a smooth texture to the bhaji. At this time in the video, I am getting very teary-eyed from these onions. However, I know a lot of people cry when they cut onions. Trick is, just try not to get too emotionally attached. I am also going to chop the tomatoes into small pieces to help keep a smooth finish to the dish. Do not worry everyone about the end pieces of the tomatoes, those will not be going to waste. My husband loves to snack on those while I cook. Now let us review over the ingredients. 2 medium gold potatoes, a half of a red onion. You can also use any onions of your choosing. I feel that red onions bring out the most flavor. 2 small tomatoes, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoon garlic paste, 1/3 cup Pav Bhaji Masala, half a cup of peas, 1 tablespoon Thai chili, or you can use the chili pepper of your choosing. Some others I like to use are serrano pepper or jalapeno pepper, 1/3 cup cilantro, and a half of a lemon. First things first, I'm going to add the potatoes, add the peas, and add a half a teaspoon of salt in a pressure cooker with 1.5 cups of water. I'm using an Indian pressure cooker, which I love using. No need to set a timer when all you need to do is listen and count the whistles. For this, it's 1 or 2 whistles max, since there's not much to cook. However, you can always use a standard pressure cooker. The potatoes and peas are cooked and the remaining water has been drained. The next step is to smash them together, making sure there is not any large pieces of potato. Medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. I am measuring roughly by sight, however, adding a little more or less oil isn't going to cause an issue. Once oil starts to heat up, I am going to add 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds and wait till I see the seeds start to sizzle. And seeds are ready. Add onions, add chilies, and a half a tablespoon of salt, which the salt will help cook down the onions more effectively. Add garlic paste, ginger paste, and mix well. At last, we have arrived to adding in the masala, a time I like to refer to as masala time. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and cover. Let's talk about the splendid masalas. What is masala exactly? Well, masalas are a mixture of many different spices that have been ground into a powder and are used for a variety of Indian dishes. You can get all these masalas at your local Indian grocery store. Onions are translucent now. Add tomatoes, mix, and cover. Tomatoes have softened, and now you can see it has turned into a kind of paste. Now I know it's ready to add in the mashed potatoes and peas to the pan and give it a good mixing. Adding in next is the Pav Bhaji Masala with 2.5 cups of water. Give it a good stir and cover. Boil on medium to high heat till the bhaji has thickened up, about 15 to 20 minutes, and stir occasionally. At the present time, the bhaji has thickened. We are so close to the finish line, I can almost taste it. And one last time, smashing everything together. Add in butter and stir till the butter is completely melted. Time to stir in the lemon juice. As finalizing the last step in this dish, add in the cilantro. Now it is finished and ready to serve. I am using a flat surface pan, adding in some butter, a pinch of cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of bhaji gravy to the pan as so. My heat is on low to medium heat. Time to put in the bread and combine the bread with the sauce mixture. Normally, the bread is very lightly toasted, just so it warms up the bread. However, depending on your toasting preferences, then finish to your liking. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I surely enjoyed making it. Give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to add more butter. It's a very important ingredient to this dish. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.